Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for the long gap in my videos. I'm going to try to make this quick, but this is just an update of where I am and what's going on. Obviously, COVID has impacted things. I've been working from home and really haven't had a ton of time to work on my layout and my trains. Um, I have a whole bunch of footage that I've already recorded back from like January and February. Uh, I don't know, I've just been avoiding editing it and putting it together and uploading it. So I'm going to try to do that in the next couple of days. But here's been my other major distraction. All right. I opened an online store. Now, I may have mentioned this in a video before, and I was really focused on my own 3D models, which I have some of them right here. But yeah, so it started off pretty small, and I keep ordering, keep selling, buying more stuff, and trying to grow and grow and grow, which has been a double-edged sword. One, it's clearly taken over the train room. As you can see, there's the layout, or what's remaining of it. There's clearly no room to expand it, and now that it's this tiny, this section here really doesn't work for me. Maybe it could be a switching layout, I don't know. This room might also become another bedroom because we're talking about having another kid, so that's to be determined. I mean, yes, we want another kid, it just what happens with this room is another thing. So there's my personal trains, and I was working on this module mainly because I needed something to photograph my models on. And so, oh, hi Percy. And so yeah, it's kind of what's happened. Again, the store took over this bedroom. If it grows too much more, I'm gonna have to find a different space for it. I'd love to open an actual physical shop, but in COVID era, that seems a little irresponsible, both financially and to the well-being of customers right now. So that's where I am. I just don't see myself really able to work on this, or I'd have to rethink what's going to go on the actual table itself. Like I said, it could totally just be a really big switching layout. It's 36 inches deep, so it's a little, due to its height, it's a little hard. Maybe the last foot could be scenery, I don't know. But yeah, so if you want something on the store, merrimackvalleymodels.com. You can use promo code YouTube for 5% off, and I'll make that promo code good through the month of September. Maybe even into October. Who knows? So give this video a like, subscribe, tell your friends, email me, leave a comment. If there's something you want and it's not on the website, let me know. I can't get Walthers. I don't have a physical store, and they don't want to give me an account. So I can get Bachman, Rapido, Accurail, Bowser, Atlas, Model Power, Bachman. I can get Scenic Express. Yeah, I can get quite a bit. I can get Digitrax, Soundtrax, NC, all that stuff. I may have a limited selection now, only because I always have to buy the inventory up front. So if there's something you really want, let me know and I will add it to the website. All right, that's the update. More videos to come. I do promise I have them filmed already. So thanks, guys.